ready to unlock a universe of movies and TV shows right at your fingertips. Let's dive into how you can stream almost anything using Stremio. First, you'll need to download Stremio. Head over to Stremio.com, choose the version compatible with your operating system: Windows, macOS, Linux, or even Android. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts. It's a pretty straightforward process. Just click through the install options and let it do its thing. Now, open Stremio. You'll probably need to create an account or log in. Next, the real magic happens: add-ons. Click on the add-ons icon. You'll find a variety of official and community add-ons. Community add-ons are where you'll find the streaming sources. Scroll through the list and install the ones that look interesting to you. Torrentio is a popular choice. Just click install and you're good to go. Be aware that you may be streaming movies illegally or from unsecured sources when using community add-ons. Be sure to protect yourself with a VPN. Once you've installed your add-ons, head back to the Discover section. Type the name of the movie or show you are looking for in the search bar. Stremio will now display all the available streaming options. You'll see different sources and qualities, from 360p to 4K. Choose the stream that suits your internet speed and desired resolution. During playback, you can customize your viewing experience. Click the settings icon to adjust subtitle languages, audio tracks, and video quality. Stremio supports a huge range of content and settings. And that's it. You're now ready to start streaming movies and TV shows on Stremio. Experiment with different add-ons to find the best sources for your favorite content. Happy streaming!